Happy Women's Day. On this auspicious day, I have created this presentation to throw some light on some great women and their contribution in literature. The question comes in our mind, why do we celebrate this day all over the world? So, it is celebrated for praising social, economic, cultural, and political achievements of women. It also marks a call of action for boosting gender equality. As I am from English department, let me tell you about some great female writers and poets of English literature. Let's begin with Afra Ben. She was a playwright, poet, and fiction writer from the Restoration era. She was the first woman English writer. Through her writing, she broke cultural barriers and served as a literary role model of later generations of women authors. Now let's come to Jane Austen. She was a famous English novelist of 18th century. In this slide, we have come to some other writers of modern age. These are Doris Lessing, Jhumpa Lahiri, J.K. Rowling, etc. You all know about J.K. Rowling. She is the writer of Harry Potter series, a great example of fiction and fantasy. But how can we ignore our Indian culture and beauty of Indian writers? Richness of Indian literature is very vast. There are many great writers, but I will start with Krupa Bai Satyanandan. She was the first Indian female English writer. She spoke about gender, caste, and cultural identity. Many other great Indian female writers and poets include Sarojini Naidu, Kamla Das, Arundhati Roy, and many more who have given their great contribution in English literature. As we are coming to the end of this presentation, I just want to say that one presentation is not enough to show the greatness of women's society. But this was my small step to make you aware about some great personalities and inspire you all. Thank you.